Finding x and y intercepts. This is standard, the standard form. If you have an x-intercept, to find it, if you need an x-intercept to find it, you let y equal 0. So you take any equation that's given to you, plug in 0 for the y. Where am I getting this? It's right over here. We have 4x plus 5y equals 20. So we plug in 0 for the y coordinate, and we get 4x equals 20. And then divide. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. That is our point, 5, 0. And then to find the y-intercept, you let x equal 0. So you plug in 0 for the x, solve it, and then we have an x of 0 and a y of 4. That's all I'm doing. We had an x of 5 and a y of 0. We have an x of 0 and a y of 4. And those are the 2 points. That's your x-intercept. And then this is your y-intercept right there. So x and y. And why do they call these x and y intercepts? Well, let's plot them and find out. So remember, this is our x-axis. This is our y. So if you plot the first one, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right there. 5, 0. And we plot the y, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 0, 4. 0 for the x, 4 for the y. And then we connect them with a line. Let's try that again. Let's pick a different color. Technical difficulties. There we go. Where does our line cross the x-axis? Exactly right there. That's why they call this an x-intercept, because that's where the graph intercepts the x-axis, and then that is a y-intercept, because that is where the graph crosses the y-axis. Every single point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0, and every single point on the x-axis has a y-coordinate of 0. So if you plug in an x equals 0, it will always give you the y-intercept. If you plug in a y equals 0, it will always give you the x-intercept. That's it. By the way, if you ever get these two confused, oh, I plugged in 0, but I don't know if it's the x or the y, the letter tells you what you have. So if you got x equals, that's the x-intercept. You got y equals, that's the y-intercept, because we're looking for that number. Let's try one more. So to find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. And we get x equals 2. So it's the point 2, 0. That's our x-intercept. And then to find the y, we plug in x equals 0. So y equals -1. So that would be the y-intercept, 0, -1. That's it. So to find the x-intercept, you substitute 0 for y. To find the y-intercept, you substitute 0 for x. Alright, and here's 2 problems for you to give it a try. So again, just do what it tells you. Hit pause and try them. And there you go. These are the answers for them. If you're wondering how I got a 6, well, you have a fraction, so I added 3 to one side, and then I multiplied both sides by 2 to cancel that denominator, just like we did with solving equations involving fractions, which gave me 6. All right, thank you.